Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make Guyanese style stewed balanjay baigan, better known as eggplant, with chicken. So to get started, I already prepped my eggplant and I have here the chicken well seasoned. I'll be using some herbs, thyme, parsley, and green onions. I have some tomato paste. For the seasoning, I have some bouillon, all-purpose seasoning, mushroom seasoning, black pepper, some minced garlic, onions, sweet pepper, and some wiri peppers. So here's how I seasoned the chicken. First, I washed it up in some lemon juice, and I'll be using some garlic and onion powder, some bouillon, seasoned salt, complete seasoning, and black pepper. I also have some fresh green seasoning, so let's get started. What I did was add all of the seasonings to the chicken, and then I went in with a bit of color, which is some Chinese sauce. Chief's Chinese sauce, I added about a tablespoon and a half or so, just to add a bit of color to my chicken. You could also use browning, you could use a little bit of soy sauce, or you can use casrib. So once the chicken is well marinated, we will allow it to sit for about an hour or so. To my preheated pot, I did add a bit of oil. Now we will add that chicken, cover, and allow the chicken to release all of the moisture. Let the juices release, and then I will show you the next step. After about 5 minutes, I went in and just give the chicken a little toss just to make sure that they're all becoming, nice and brown and they're being cooked evenly. Then I set the lid back on and allow it to continue releasing that moisture. After about 15 minutes, most of the moisture has been released. So what we want to do is leave it uncovered and allow the moisture to evaporate. Once it evaporates, this is how it should be looking. Now we will go in with our tomato paste and we will add our aromatics. We will add our onions, our peppers, and the garlic. Give it a toss and allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. So at this point, we're going to add the eggplant or the balanjay. Give it a good mix, and then we'll follow up with our seasoning to add flavor and taste. We'll also add our thyme and wiri peppers for that spicy kick. We'll cover and allow this to simmer on medium-low heat until the eggplant is tender and basically dissolved. That's how I like mine. And remember to stir this occasionally to make sure that everything is being cooked evenly. And after about 20 minutes, my stewed baigan, balanjay, or eggplant is finally done. Now we will garnish with the fresh parsley and green onions, and we can get ready to plate. I can't wait to dig in. This is one of my absolute favorites. So I did pair mine up with some mashed sweet potatoes, some cucumbers, and tomato. But feel free to use rice if you like, or roti. That would be perfect as well. I enjoy this. I went back for seconds and thirds. It was so mouth-watering. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.